Hi, I'm Braddock District Supervisor James Walkinshaw. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and I hope you'll join me in raising awareness of this public health issue. 1 in 4 women and 1 in 10 men will experience sexual or physical violence and/or stalking by an intimate partner in their lifetime. And more than 15 million children live with families where partner violence occurred at least once in the past year. Domestic Violence Awareness Month is an opportunity to educate ourselves and rededicate ourselves to building a peaceful and safe community. This month and every month, we can work together to reduce our acceptance of violence, reject norms and policies that put women and girls at risk, and confront gender and racial injustices. Here in Fairfax County, there are volunteer opportunities, training programs, and ways to donate to support survivors of domestic violence. Click the link accompanying this video to get involved. And if you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, help is available. Please make the call to our 24-hour domestic and sexual violence hotline at 703-360-7273.